Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about countries and nationalities. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me. Countries and nationalities. The United States. A country in North America, made up of 50 states, commonly known as the US or USA. I live in the United States. Refers to the country in North America. American. Related to the United States or its people, culture, or language. He is an American citizen. Describes someone or something from the U.S. Canada. A country in North America, located north of the United States. Canada is famous for its natural beauty. Refers to the country north of the U.S. Canadian. Related to Canada or its people, culture, or language. She is a Canadian artist. Describes someone or something from Canada. United Kingdom. A country in Europe consisting of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The United Kingdom has a rich history. Refers to the political union of 4 nations in Europe. British. Related to the United Kingdom or its people, culture, or language. She loves British literature. Describes someone or something from the UK. Germany. A country in Central Europe, known for its history and economy. Germany is a leading industrial country. Refers to the country in Central Europe. German. Related to Germany or its people, culture, or language. He speaks German fluently. Describes someone or something from Germany. France. A country in Western Europe, known for its culture, cuisine, and landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. France is a popular tourist destination. Refers to the country in Western Europe. French. Related to France or its people, culture, or language. They enjoy French cuisine. Describes someone or something from France. Spain. A country in Southern Europe, known for its beaches, festivals, and cultural influence. Spain has a rich cultural heritage. Refers to the country in Southern Europe. Spanish. Related to Spain or its people, culture, or language. She learned to speak Spanish in school. Describes someone or something from Spain. Italy. A country in Southern Europe, famous for its art, history, and cuisine. Italy is famous for its Renaissance art. Refers to the country in southern Europe. Italian. Related to Italy or its people, culture, or language. Italian food is popular worldwide. Describe someone or something from Italy. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.